Hey everyone, Nikki here with Select Elite Insurance. Welcome back to my channel where we discuss all things insurance. In today's video, I'm going to discuss something that all my clients want to know. Is my home insured for too much, not enough, or just the right amount? I'm going to enlighten you on the difference between your home's market value and the insurable home value. If you're a homeowner, you may assume that the insurable value of your home is based on your home's market value. My insureds often ask, shouldn't the market value and insurable value of my home be the same? The two values can be very different estimates. While the market value of your home is based on what your property might sell for, the insurable value of your home is an estimate of what it would cost to completely rebuild your property. Completely rebuilding your house is often more expensive than the home's market price, which means your insurable value may be higher than your market value. Rebuilding costs can be high, so you need to have adequate insurance to cover the replacement and reconstruction costs of your home. Insuring up to the purchase price of your home may not be the sufficient coverage you need. When you're determining how much homeowners insurance you need, you should consider how much construction and labor would cost you if you needed to rebuild your home. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more insurance insights. Until next time, stay covered and informed.